Sure, here's a sample script on fitness. Title: Get fit with these easy-to-do exercises. Introduction: Welcome to this fitness program. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, this program is designed to help you get in shape and stay fit. With these easy-to-do exercises, you can work out anywhere, anytime, without the need for any equipment. So let's get started. Body Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a great exercise for working out your legs and glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your hips as if you're sitting down on an imaginary chair. Make sure to keep your back straight and your weight on your heels. Repeat for 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that works out your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your toes on the ground. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat for 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 3. Lunges. Lunges are another great exercise for your legs and glutes. To do a lunge, stand with your feet hip-width apart, step forward with one foot, and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure to keep your front knee over your ankle and your back knee pointing toward the ground. Repeat on each leg for 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 4. Plank. The plank is a simple but effective exercise that works out your core muscles. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, then lower your body onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your toes, and hold for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat for 3 sets. Conclusion: Congratulations, you've completed the fitness program. Remember to take it at your own pace, and if any of these exercises are too difficult, start with fewer reps or modify the exercise to suit your needs. With consistent practice, you'll see improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness.